Alright, we got at least a few hot pre-owned bikes in here that are ready to go. This is my, if you've ever watched my channel, this is my dream bike. I've been waiting for this to come down. Love the color scheme. We saw one back in Little Sturgis last year. And I'll try to make a deal with that guy. It didn't work out, but we're still waiting on this bike. But it's ready to go. If you get it before me, that's fine, $12,999. Here we have a 100-year anniversary Dino Wide Glide for $99.99. It's ready to go. It's been here for a little while. You could probably, don't tell me I said this, but you could probably talk them down on this one. That is ready to roll. And this one, a Dino Wide Glide, $11,999. This has been here for a little while too. It's not even working man special. This thing runs the way it is. But there's one I wanted to show you. This thing. It is a working man special out the door. Roll it out the door this year. So $47.94. The engine's worth more than that. It's got a Screaming Eagle on it. You can see that right there. Screaming Eagle, 88 cubic inch. It's a fat boy. It's ready to run. It looks like they've got a charger hooked up to it. So it's probably either got a charging problem or it's got a battery problem. But the thing looks sweet. It's got a lot of extras on it. It is ready to go. So if you want this bike, man, this is gonna go fast. Today is Saturday. This video will probably come out on Sunday. And the more you look at this bike, the more stuff it has on it. I am not a fan of the flat wheels. They do catch a lot of wind, but there are people that are. This is the Fat Boy. This is like the one that Arnold Schwarzenegger drove, but it's a red one instead of a silver one. But there's lots of cool little things on it. That's where it came from, Red River Harley Davidson in Texas. Man, and I do like this one. Of course, we've got some other things in the used section here, the previously owned section. The GSs right now are big. This is one that's affordable. It doesn't cost $25,000, and it's ready to move. It's a BMW. It's a 310 GS, and it's a gorgeous bike. And if you are into touring and want to tour, but you just don't like shifting, well, this is the bike for you. This is an automatic Gullwing. It's the low price of $26,194, and this bike has everything. It is an automatic. Can you see there's no clutch right there? And it's got a stereo system. It's got heated seats. It's probably got an air grip in there. I'm not sure what this is for. It's for something. Hey, if you buy it, you can figure it out. But it's got a stereo system. It does suspiciously look a lot like my BMW. And I think they even down to the weird pointed sections in the back here, it looks a lot like mine. How about that? Anyway, but yep, it does have the DCT transmission. You can see there. This is a 6-cylinder opposed 6, not like mine. Mine's an inline 6. It's got fog lights on it. It's totally encapsulated. And if you're a Gullwing guy, man, and you're just, you're not into shifting, this is the bike for you. You can even come up here and rent a trike just to see what all the hubbub is about these trikes. These have gotten hot in the last couple of years, and they have gone now into a full trike production on these Harleys with different kinds. So it used to be just mostly aftermarket bikes with Harleys, but now Harley makes their own, and they make a lot of them. So got a lot of cool bikes in here, a lot of choices. I love this green. If you know, I do have a couple secrets coming up. Yeah, so that color actually is what I'm going to be painting my Sportster. By the time this video comes out, it'll probably be a done deal, and I'll probably already have it painted. But yeah, there's some really hot bikes in here. So if you're interested, they're in here. So come on in.